guys, what's up? My name is Victoria and I'm here today because I want to talk to you about Ikaria Juice. So if you're here, it's because you want to know more information about it. So stay tuned to the end of this video because I will tell you all the benefits that Ikaria Juice has for you. Also, a special guarantee that it's going to be a really nice benefit for you, okay guys? But to start, I want to give you an alert. So Ikaria Juice is only sold on the official website of the producer of the product. It's not sold in drugstores or other websites, only on the official website, okay guys? To help you out guys, I'm gonna leave the link for the official website on the description box down below, okay? There and only there you can buy your original Ikaria Juice. Alright, so let's understand what is it. So, Ikaria Juice is a potent blend of exotic nutrients that is going to end with that stubborn fat accumulation. Yes, it's going to burn fats even in those areas that is very difficult to burn with traditional diets, but with Ikaria Juice you will be able to do it, okay? We can see by the formula because it's 100% natural, so you will lose weight in a healthy manner and in a fast manner, okay? Keep that in mind, it's very important. In the formula we have some ingredients like milk thistle, bioperine, we have ECGC, some fruit extracts like strawberry extracts, acai extracts, and some others. So it's awesome, it's vegetarian, non-GMO, no stimulants, there's no chemical composition, so there's no contradictions or side effects. Anyone can take Ikaria Juice, alright? So now I'm gonna tell you how you're going to ingest it. You will take just 1 scoop of the Ikaria Juice and mix it into your favorite beverage. I recommend you to take it with water, okay? The water is better in these cases. And I also recommend you guys to take it in the morning because Ikaria Juice will also give you more disposition and energy during the day. So if you take it in the morning, you will have an awesome day and very energetic, okay? So it will help you to lose weight, like I said, in a healthy manner because it will speed up your metabolism, detoxify your organism, and it will also help to reduce cholesterol. Now the guarantee that I told you guys. Ikaria Juice has an extended guarantee of 180 days. So if you're not satisfied with this supplement, you can ask for your money back. But I'm sure it's gonna be great for you, okay? So guys, this was the information I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked this video. If you have more questions or if you have already used the Ikaria Juice, leave here in the comment section that you can help other people that are looking for information about it. But don't forget to check the website because there you can buy your original product. You can see all the ingredients and the benefits that each ingredient can bring you. And you can also see some testimonials and pictures of before and after. I also recommend you to buy kits that have more discounts, okay? Thank you for watching until here. Bye bye.